Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the newest addition to the Samsung flagship family. This phone has got all the bells and whistles that you could ever want from a smartphone. But before we dive into the exciting details, I want to take a moment to ask you to subscribe to my channel for more updates and videos on the latest tech. Let's dive into the exciting details. First off, let's talk about the network capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is equipped with LTE and 5G capabilities. This means that you can stay connected to the world wherever you go, no matter what your carrier or network preference may be. With 5G capabilities, you can experience lightning-fast speeds and low latency, making everything from streaming to video calling a breeze. Moving on to the design, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a sleek and stylish phone that is sure to turn heads. The phone measures 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs in at 234 g. It features a glass front and back, made with the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 2 technology and an aluminum frame. Not only is it beautiful, but it is also durable, with IP68 dust and water resistance, and an armor aluminum frame with tougher drop and scratch resistance. Now, let's move on to the display. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus technology, and a brightness of up to 1750 nits. This means that everything from videos to photos looks incredible, with vibrant colors and deep blacks. And with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, you can rest easy knowing that your phone's screen is safe from scratches and cracks. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by Android 13 and One UI 5.1. It is equipped with a Qualcomm SM8550AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 nanometers chipset, an octa-core CPU, and an Adreno 740 GPU. With 256 GB to 1 TB of internal storage and up to 12 GB of RAM, this phone is ready to handle anything you can throw at it. Let's talk about the camera capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a quad camera setup with a whopping 200MP wide-angle lens, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens with super steady video. With LED flash, auto HDR, and panorama features, you can capture stunning photos and videos with ease. And with the ability to shoot 8K at 24/30 frames per second, 4K at 30/60 frames per second, and 1080p at 960 FPS, you can create professional quality content right from your phone. But what really sets the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra apart is the inclusion of a stylus, which features Bluetooth integration, an accelerometer, and a gyro. This makes the phone perfect for creatives, business people, or anyone who wants to take their phone experience to the next level. The stylus allows you to take notes, draw, and navigate the phone with ease. Finally, let's talk about the battery. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features a Li-ion 5000 mAh battery that is non-removable. It also includes 45W wired charging, PD 3.0, and 65% in 30 minutes charging, as well as 15W wireless charging and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. This means that you can stay connected and powered up all day long, no matter what you're doing. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is an impressive device that sets the bar high for the smartphone industry. With its advanced network capabilities, stunning design, innovative stylus integration, incredible display, powerful hardware, and top-of-the-line camera and battery features, this phone is truly a game changer. Whether you're a power user who needs the best of the best or someone who simply wants a high-quality smartphone experience, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is sure to exceed your expectations. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, this phone is a must-have for anyone who wants the best of the best. So if you're ready to upgrade your smartphone experience, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. With its unbeatable combination of style, power, and functionality, this phone is sure to be a hit with consumers all over the world. So go ahead and get yours today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if this video was helpful for you and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting updates.